Hi everybody, this is Dr. Tahir. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have cute little Kathryn here today. How old is she now?
She is 7 months.
She is 7 months old, and we have Mom Rebekah here today. And Kathryn is here for a massage today, okay? So I'll be talking to Mom about how to do a baby massage. There are lots of advantages to doing a baby massage. Just as much as adults like massages, so do babies. It actually is shown to help them increase relaxation, helps them sleep better, also increases bonding between parents and kids. And it's just fun. So there are lots of videos online that you can find on baby massages. They're all about the same when I've looked at tons of them. I'll be showing you some of those, but there's some special techniques that I'll be showing myself that you won't find on the regular videos and things online that are very helpful for babies, okay? So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we're in a nice warm area, and doing a massage in a doctor's office in an exam room is not the ideal, okay? But we're going to make the best of it today. So we have Mom brought a nice blanket today and also matching diaper today too, okay? So she's going to be nice and warm, and we're going to make sure she's relaxed and calm. If she's fussy, crying, we don't want to do a massage at that time. Typically you want to do a massage before bedtime or after bath time. And you want to wait a couple hours after feeding. If you do it too quickly after feeding, then the stomach is full and it won't feel good. Just as if we were to eat a big meal, for example, and somebody's trying to massage us and press on our tummy, it won't feel good at that time. Okay, so I'm going to wash my hands, and then I will show you what we'll use for the massaging, okay? So have you done this before, Rebekah, or have you looked into any kind of massaging before?
I haven't.
Okay.
If I'm going to learn something, I like someone to actually be there to show me, so I make sure that I do it correctly.
Yes, yes, wonderful. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to use organic extra virgin olive oil, okay? And this is an olive oil that you may eat with food, or you may cook with, and that's what you want to use. The reason is that she will be rubbing herself, her skin, and she'll be putting her fingers in her mouth, and this will be a safe oil to use on her skin. So we don't want to put too much oil. We don't want to make her very slippery, but a little bit, okay? And we'll work together at this. So I'm going to have you participate also. And what we want to do is we want to make sure our hands are not too cold. So sometimes it helps if you rub your hands together so they're nice and warm, so that when we're massaging her, she feels nice and comfy. Typically, you want to start with her on her back and just let her know we're going to do a massage. You ready, sweetie pie? She said she is ready, okay? So we're going to make sure she's comfy. And what I do is I use just a little tiny bit of olive oil on my hand, and I rub my hands together. So see how much it is? It's maybe a quarter of a teaspoon, and just a little bit basically. So you do get some oil on your hands, and we'll just close this up and put this back for now. If you get too much, we'll just use a paper towel and dry our hands a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to pat my hands a little bit so I have oil there, but it's not dripping or anything. Our hands are a little bit shiny. Okay, so that's about how much oil we're going to use. And it's easiest to start at the legs, okay? So I'm going to do one side, and then I'm going to have you do the other side. So what I do is I hold the leg in one hand, and I start off on the thigh, on the top here. And you can use your thumb, and you're gently kneading the muscles. The muscles we're looking at are on top and on the side and the bottom. A little bit here too. So thumb is on the inside, and otherwise you're kind of kneading the muscles. You like that, honey? There you go. And after that, you're going to work with your thumb and drag your thumb and hand down and massage your calf muscle. And imagine if somebody's doing this to us. Wouldn't that just be so fabulous? And that's how she feels. And as you're doing that, you can gently bend all of her joints, help her exercise a little bit. Everything is nice and loose and warm. And you see I'm using both my thumbs also. You don't want to press too hard. You don't want to stretch out the skin. You're gently rubbing on the skin but not stretching it. Why don't you go ahead and do on this side, and then we'll do the feet. Go ahead and do this side, and then we'll do the feet after that. Perfect. And you feel like with the thumbs, there you go, sweetie. All right, there you go with the thumbs. And then you're going to gently knead the muscles, sides and the bottom, top, sides and the bottom. Here you go, good job. And the more you talk to her and make eye contact, the better, because she'll love making eye contact with you. There you go. See, eye contact is very important, and talk to her. If you like to sing, you sing to her. Dr. Tahir can't sing, so I won't sing. Yeah? Okay, and then, so you take some time and you just make sure all the muscles are nice and warm and soft. Sometimes you'll feel some hardness in the muscles, and that's if she has a muscle spasm, and the massaging helps that, okay? So the muscles, top, side, and bottom mostly, and the calf muscle here, okay? And then we'll do her feet. To do her feet, you want to hold her feet up like this, and we're going to be massaging the bottom of her feet, and you want to start off at the heel and gently, just in a little circular motion, massage by her heel. Do you like that, huh? There you go. And then going up toward her toes, and gently just rub across away from her toes like that. Oh, yeah, you like that. See, she's getting a double massage. And take each of her toes and concentrate on each toe and gently squeeze each of the toes a little bit. And of course, you're not going to pinch or anything, but you're gently squeezing and rubbing. And look how happy she is. I think she likes it. Feet are interesting. Feet are one of the most important things to massage. And a lot of relaxation helps from massaging the feet. You also want to massage the top of the feet. And the way you do that is put your hand on the bottom and you use your thumb and just in a circular motion, go across the top of her foot. Oh, good job. If your hands are getting dry, then you simply use some more olive oil to moisten your hands, okay? The olive oil is a very good oil to massage the skin with because it also helps to moisturize the skin and helps her skin feel nice and smooth too. So after we do the legs, then we're going to do her arms and her hands, okay? And I think we're okay. How's your hands? Okay. So for the arms, you want to start off by the shoulders